Hey everyone, Jim Fultz here, National Technical Trainer with Copeland, wanting to share today's tech tip. Do you understand flame sense? What is flame rectification? I think that's a big word. Let's just make it simple. A flame circuit has two wires just like the power going to a motor, anything along that line, a hot and a ground. The hot goes in the flame rod and the flame hits it, and the ground is a green wire that's typically screwed to one of the four screws on the burner manifold, making the burner ground. When gas is lit and the gas flame hits this rod, the current carries through the flame and grounds itself out on the burner. That's as complicated as it gets. With that grounding, the board sees that, we read it in microamps. When this flame rod gets dirty, those microamp readings go down because that film on it restricts that electric to flow to ground. That's why these need to be cleaned on a regular basis. What's a good reading? A good reading is typically 1.5, 2, up to 5 is typical. Right here you can see we have 1.7 with the 50 and 56X 843. It shows it on the control. And when it gets weak, it can go all the way down to 0.5 or a little below before it will not sense that flame and kick the control out. Now, you clean this or you replace it with our universal flame rod that can be cut and bent, or our combo pack, which has the hot rod and the flame sense rod in it. And once it's cleaned and you have a fresh, clean sensor in there, you can get that 4.0 or greater reading off of that. Thanks for watching today's tip.